Hi everybody, this is Tim Boss with FinancialCyclesWeekly.com, and we want you to know that there are actually some times during 2015 in which we can expect a great deal of financial optimism and some real expansion of your personal wealth if you know the right tactics to use during this particular time frame in the year ahead. Of course, we're referring here to some of the planning tools that we're presenting in this 2015 Astro Money Planning Calendar. This is absolutely free for you. All you have to do is go to bit.ly/2015 Money Plan, and you can connect there to download your personal copy of this color-coded Astro Money Planning Calendar. Now, one of the colors that we're looking at here refers to some times of great expansion and optimism financially. There's one important time, in fact, during the year ahead when financial optimism and the power of expansion in general can create some big money opportunities for you. And of course, what we're referring to here is the impact of the planet Jupiter. Jupiter is connected with growth, good luck, all sorts of great things happening, business expansion, bigger horizons for us at all levels, and also, of course, with financial abundance. It is, in traditional astrology, the big money planet, so to speak. So we're very, very interested in what Jupiter does during the course of any given year. And in 2015, on April 8th, Jupiter will be slowing down, and on that date, it will change direction. And this creates a major impact, not just on the date of April 8th, but throughout the period from March 22nd to April 26th. That's the time frame that we're highlighting for very, very positive circumstances. This can be, in fact, a magical, positive period for you financially if you know how to use it. And understanding how to use it depends on knowing where the money planets are in your personal horoscope. Now, during this powerful time that we've just mentioned in March and April of 2015, you want to be alert if your personal money planets are at any of these positions in the zodiac. These are the money planets in your personal natal horoscope. We're looking at 10 to 14 degrees of the fixed signs and 25 to 29 degrees of the mutable signs of the zodiac. So note this list. Make sure that you know whether or not you have money planets at any of these specific locations in your natal chart. Now, if you do, there are certain things that you can do to take maximum advantage of this very, very positive time that we've got coming up. You want to be prepared for big expansion of your personal financial and material well-being, specifically during this time frame in March and April of 2015. If you have one of these money planets in these degree areas, you want to use this time to review your personal and business money-making strategies so that you can get the maximum impact from them. This is a time to push the envelope a little bit, take bigger risks, and get bigger results through doing that. This is the time for you to broaden your thinking, and you want to get past any prejudices you might have, any limited assumptions about what's possible for you, because this really is the time to open up to new possibilities in your life. You also want to take some time to devote some extra energy to your spiritual activities, whatever that might be for you, whether it's meditation, fasting, prayer, attending religious services, whatever works for you in your particular personal spiritual discipline. Don't neglect it during this time, because it can open up the money flow for you. It's a good time to be engaged in giving activities. That's true in most spiritual traditions. You also want to use this time to strengthen your sense of humor. Interestingly enough, what you find funny right now, what you learn to laugh at, can actually open up big opportunities for profits in the future. So you want to pay attention to being able to maintain and enhance your sense of humor during this time period as well. Now, if you don't have one of those money planets in your personal chart in one of these key degree areas, you're still going to want to pay attention to this particular time during 2015. This is generally a favorable time for everybody, but you're going to be needing to be a little bit more proactive. You're going to have to initiate things and take some actions in order to benefit from this time to greater personal advantage. It's a good time for you to explore new opportunities, to look into new directions for your life, both personally and in business, whatever you're engaged in. Kind of open up the horizons, think outside the box. This is the time to be doing that, to be looking beyond what you normally consider on your day-to-day activities. This is the time also to create some new connections. You want to meet new people, expand your personal and business contacts during this time frame. It doesn't necessarily mean that they will pay off for you instantly, but farther down the road, if you open up during this time frame and make new contacts, meet new people, then you can reap the benefits later on. And that's a very, very positive thing. It's important for you overall to see whatever seems to be a problem as actually being an opportunity for you, especially during this time. And you can learn to see things from a fresh perspective. If you do so, then it opens up continuing opportunities for you. So this is a positive time for everybody. If you don't have a personal money planet that's in one of these areas, you can still put it to work for you, but you're going to have to be a good bit more focused and really pay attention to getting the benefit out of it. Now, of course, the question here is, where are those money planets in your horoscope? If you don't know where they are, it's time for you to learn how to find them. That's why we put together a program on how to find the money in your horoscope. This is a class that we offer periodically. We have a new class starting very, very soon, and you can connect at this web address to get registration information. If you go to bit.ly/HTFM class, then you will find out when the next registration period opens for our class and how to find the money in your horoscope. It's absolutely essential for you to have this knowledge if you're going to optimize your financial returns in 2015. So what we want to do is make sure that you can take advantage of this particular time of optimism and expansion during 2015 by knowing how to plan with the planets in your horoscope that represent the money there. If you know how to find the money in your horoscope, then you can take full advantage of this excellent opportunity that lies ahead of us here. And of course, in doing so, we recommend that you use the Astro Money Planning Calendar. You can get a free copy of the calendar to put to work right now. It's a PDF download. It takes just a couple of minutes to get connected with that at bit.ly/2015 Money Plan. This is Tim Voss with FinancialCyclesWeekly.com. Thanks for watching. Wishing you all the best during this fabulous time of expansion and opportunity in 2015.